Hey, how's it going everyone? Steve Gonzalez with Rugged Radios here. We're at the Rugged Garage and going to tell you a little bit about the Bronco, our KC lights. All right, so King of the Hammers 2021. We're here providing service to our racers, chase crews, pit support, you name it. We've got the big Rugged Garage set up here. So if you guys need help with your communications, your navigation, any of that kind of stuff, we're here to help. All right, so we're here, we got our 96 Bronco. This is our Baja service truck. So this thing's been stretched 17.5 inches, long wheelbase, tons of wheel travel, bypasses, coilovers, the works. Our KC lights light up the night, and we use this thing to service Baja racers. We brought it out to King of the Hammers. Check out the course. We're also servicing any racers. Whatever you guys need, we're here to help. Okay, so lighting. This thing spends a lot of time in Baja at night. So we've got Pro 6 light bar. We've got flexes on each side. We've also got fog lights. Love the fog lights. They provide a ton of fill just close to the car. We also got some cyclones in the back, reverse lights to light up back. So if you're working on something in the back of the car, you can turn it on. It's a really great package.